Hi, good morning, and welcome to the ZP webinar on Djuli. So every week we do a webinar specifically on Djuli, and we answer any questions that come in during the week. So today's the 7th of November. I'll talk fast. I want to be efficient with your time, so let me go forward. So don't forget there's Djuli. Now with Djuli, the nice thing about it is there's actually a freemium sign up, so you can have a sort of a sign up and try it out essentially for free. Now Djuli is the heart of Zimmer and Peacock. And what it is, it's a data management system. It's a data management system that's been specifically tuned up for data storage of electrochemical data. It's tuned up for data visualization of electrochemical data. It's tuned up for the processing of electrochemical data, so filters and areas under curves and regression, line fitting, etc. It's also tuned up for data acquisition, and that data acquisition can mean two things. Either data coming from our SensiAll platform or data coming from laboratory experiments, and I can probably expand upon the SensiAll platform shortly. And also I should have just mentioned at the very end there's also something called an API, an application program interface. This is the heart of it, so that if you're a developer or you've got your own cloud system, you can make a call upon our cloud system using an API as well. The really powerful thing about Djuli is actually the ability to share data with each other. So we were troubleshooting a client the other day. The client was in Australia. The client was in India. Their immediate support was in India. I at that time was in Vienna, and my engineer was in Norway. And all four of us could see the data in real time because they were testing in India and the data was going to the cloud, and then they shared it with us and we could all see it. So there's a real power of the network effect when everyone can essentially see your data. So I have a little table here to sort of describing the differences between freemium and premium. But please sign up for the freemium, give us some feedback, and hopefully some of you will become the sort of premium users as well. We do use this a lot with our PhDs, our PhD students, because they're great for putting the database through its paces. We do have a webinar on the 9th of November. So today's the 7th of November, so just 2 days from now. I will put all links underneath this video at the end, so I hope that you can come and sign up for that. And also just to say that there is a Djuli webinar. Also, I think it's end of November, beginning of December, and I'll also put a link to that as well. As I said earlier on, SensiAll is one conduit that gets data up to Djuli. So SensiAll, there's an app on the App Store. I should say that we do have SensiAll specific webinars as well, and one of the links I showed previously where I said, oh, well, there's a Djuli webinar, there's also a SensiAll webinar as well. But this is an app you can get from the App Store, and by using these different codes you can actually change the way the app runs, so that actually you can end up using the app. You can use the app to measure many analytes. So this is the kind of workflow for SensiAll. And when I say SensiAll, SensiAll is a way of getting data to Djuli, and that will explain it here. So SensiAll can either bring electrochemical data in or optical data. There's two different sets of hardware for that. There's the app. You just saw a QR code for the app. There's our cloud database system called Djuli. So Djuli is where the app sends the data, and then Djuli can process data and send the data back to the app, or you can also make an API call upon it. This is one strong technology stack that we have here. And the whole idea of Djuli and its integration with SensiAll is to allow people to make products and allow people to make minimally viable products really quickly. So here's the last page. If you've got any questions for ZP, don't hesitate to contact us. You will find us responsive. We do a weekly webinar, so if you've got any questions on Djuli, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll include it in the next webinar. Okay, I appreciate it and thank you very much.